This is just a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Armitage ceiling fan. I don't care too much about this model, but I'm just going to show you and make a test run of it. I wasn't able to do that last time because I had to, like, head back or something. Let's get started. I'm just going to make a quick run, then I'll be finished. It's on medium, I believe. The reason why you're not feeling the airflow is because it's on clockwise direction, which you can only you're only supposed to use it like in winter, because since it's summer right now, it's supposed to be spinning counterclockwise. Here's low. What a piece of junk. Sorry, I'm a little sorry when I try to pull this stupid chain, it's not even, the speed isn't working. Wait a second, that's the wrong chain. Sorry folks, I must have pulled the wrong chain. That's low end, this is off. Here's high. The other switch I pulled is actually the light. And that's enough. I don't care too much about this model because they're pretty cheap and they're not made to last. So I'm only just gonna show it to you all. I'm just gonna show it to some of you folks who may or may not like this type of fan at all. Anyway, like I said, it's nothing special about this, so I'm just showing it to you all, that's all. And by the way, this is at my auntie's house at my cousin's room. So that's all I need to see for now. Thanks for watching.